A lot of music from the Impressionist period of classical music, jazz, and newfangled Jacob Collier-style super ultra hyper mega meta harmony is based on modes. So what are they exactly? The concept of a mode, as it pertains to Western music theory, has come a long way since the days of the Gregorian chant, where they referred to sets of notes that monks would use when, well, chanting. Modes still refer to sets of notes in ascending order, more commonly referred to as scales, but instead of each set containing notes seemingly picked at random, each Western mode is just the major scale, starting at a different scale degree. Each mode still sounds familiar, but gains a distinct musical character from the order of the intervals between its notes. The first mode is Ionian, which is the same as the major scale. Like any scale, it has a specific pattern of whole and semitones. The next one is Dorian. Because Dorian is the second mode, it sounds like a major scale being played from note number 2 instead of note number 1. The pattern of whole and semitones in the major scale gets shifted to the right by one note. If we transpose the scale back down and started at C, preserving the intervals, we get the C-Dorian scale. Because it takes 2 semitones to reach C from the Dorian scale that uses the same notes as the C major scale, the major scale that shares the same notes with the C-Dorian scale is 2 semitones below C major, namely B-flat major. This pattern continues. The third mode is Phrygian, which starts on scale degree 3. Again, imagine the major scale is being shifted sideways, this time by 2 notes. Next comes Lydian, which starts on note 4, then Mixolydian on note 5. Aeolian, which starts on note 6, might sound familiar because it's usually called the natural minor scale. The last mode is Locrian, which starts on the 7th degree of the scale. So that's what modes are, but why do people care about them so much? Like I mentioned, and you probably heard, every mode has a specific harmonic character, more so than major happy, minor sad. Because Dorian has one note that's different from minor, it is similarly melancholy but a bit brighter and more restless. The starting semitone of the Phrygian scale makes it sound foreboding and ambiguous. Lydian is like major but brighter, kinda quirky. The flat 7 in Mixolydian makes the whole scale sound like a dominant chord that wants to resolve, while Locrian is so dissonant and dark that it is hardly used in Western music at all. Composers employ modes in their pieces because of their diverse range of character, and now that you know what modes are, so can you.